Now it's recording. Okay, look at it. See? It says, Happy Holidays from Kylan to Mommy and Daddy.
Yay!
Here we go. A trip to Hawaii! No? No? What is it? What is it, I would like to know? What could it be, I would like to know? Oh, look at here what we have.
Show it to the people.
What?
Show it to the people.
Show it to the people.
Look, people.
Oh, look how
It's
cute!
a puzzle piece.
With a puzzle framed Kylan.
Oh, I love that.
That's very cute
So
idea.
cute.
Mwah.
Good job. Take it over here.
Very cute
Reese,
idea.
bring it over. Okay,
This is awesome.
We spray painted it. Oh, and Mommy? Daddy?
What?
Did you ever notice that there's